Hey guys, today we're talking about the revolution in artificial intelligence and which stocks you should consider for 2025. There's a lot of exciting stuff to cover, so let's get started. First off, this isn't financial advice. My goal is to give you the best info and research so you can make smart decisions. Now let's jump into the current developments and future trends. So we're on the verge of a mega boom in the PC and smartphone market, driven by investments in new technologies. But what does that mean? A supercycle is a period of exceptionally high demand and rising investments, usually triggered by new technologies. In this case, artificial intelligence is fueling this boom. The demand for computing power is skyrocketing because more and more applications and systems need massive power to function. So what are the key stocks and positions? A prime example of this trend is Nvidia. The demand for their GPUs is exploding. Why? Artificial intelligence needs a ton of computing power for training. Elon Musk recently highlighted this by saying that developing the smartest AI requires huge investments in GPUs. Nvidia is the clear market leader here. Their GPUs are essential for training large neural networks, and this demand will continue to grow in the coming years. Nvidia's current PE ratio is around 75.62, which is relatively high compared to its historical average of 49.39. This high PE ratio indicates that investors are expecting significant growth from Nvidia in the future. Another important player is Arista Networks. Arista is a leader in building data centers and has already seen impressive stock gains. Why is this important? Data centers are the backbone of digital infrastructure. With the increasing need for computing power, especially for AI applications, the demand for efficient and powerful data centers will continue to rise. Arista Networks is well positioned to benefit from this trend. Arista Networks' current PE ratio is 50.40, indicating that investors have high expectations for its growth. Supermicro Computer, SMCI. Supermicro specializes in high-performance computing solutions and has seen impressive gains based on the growing demand for computing power. Their focus on AI infrastructure makes them a promising investment. The current PE ratio for Supermicro Computer is 51.00, which reflects strong investor confidence in their continued growth. So what are the possible future trends and other investment opportunities? We have edge computing, a particularly cool trend that will become more important in the coming years is edge computing. Unlike traditional cloud computing, where data is processed centrally in large data centers, edge computing allows data processing directly at the edge of the network where the data is generated. This has several advantages: lower latency, reduced bandwidth requirements, and faster data processing. Imagine a production line in a factory being monitored and optimized in real time. With edge computing, data can be processed on-site without being sent to a distant data center first. This saves time and resources. Another example is the simultaneous translation of conference calls. Delays are super annoying here. With edge computing, translation can happen right on the spot, leading to smoother and more efficient conversations. Companies like Hewlett Packard Enterprise, HPE, which specialize in edge computing, are expected to benefit greatly from this trend. HPE offers solutions for local cloud systems that can be implemented directly within companies. This allows firms to process their data on-site while maintaining control over their data. HPE has recently partnered with Nvidia to develop AI computing solutions tailored for enterprises, boosting their edge computing capabilities. This collaboration positions HPE as a key player in the AI revolution, providing integrated solutions that combine HPE's edge computing infrastructure with Nvidia's powerful GPUs. HPE's current PE ratio is around 13, making it relatively affordable and potentially undervalued compared to other tech stocks. Another potential big winner is Qualcomm. The introduction of PCs that rely entirely on Qualcomm technology and don't use Intel or AMD processors marks a revolution in the PC market. These new AI PCs are designed to fully leverage the advantages of edge computing. Qualcomm has taken a pioneering role here, and we could see a significant market shift in the coming years. Major manufacturers like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft, and Samsung are now launching PCs with Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, highlighting the industry's confidence in Qualcomm's technology. Qualcomm's PE ratio is approximately 26.95, making it a reasonably valued stock given its strong position in the market. In summary, we're entering some really exciting times. Artificial intelligence and edge computing will play central roles in technological development in the coming years. The companies mentioned, Nvidia, Arista Networks, Supermicro Computer, HPE, and Qualcomm, are well positioned to benefit from these trends. It's worth keeping a close eye on these developments and considering investment opportunities accordingly. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in staying updated on the latest stocks and financial trends, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting out with this new finance channel, and your support means a lot. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis. Until next time.